Oh, paper.
Paper, Jerry.
Paper.
What date it is? Oh, yeah. We're not so far off today's date. Look, it's July the 14th. That's your birthday.
Oh my goodness.
1985.
Can you believe that? Is that when I was born?
Yeah, July 15th.
85. Found that.
Sushi's effort, not bad. Let's see your job then, Dad.
I'm doing it with little trowel. See how we go. And I need to borrow that for planting.
This green man's here. That's it, push it into there. And that's a darker one there, isn't it?
Yep.
Either that's matched in with that brick perfect, and that's a little bit lighter. Absolutely perfect, that.
I bet you thought I'd missed that, didn't you?
Well done. Not a bad job at all. Good job.
What do you think? Who's the best? KC or The Apprentice?
Do you like them glasses?
I love
You
them.
still got your glasses on?
I'll tell you what, better being safe, innit?
Oh yes.
If something clicks up in your eye goes, it's end of story.
Exactly. So there is a few lighter in there, but I suppose it adds.
Well, that one's like darker, that's darker, that's lighter. It's just steadier, innit?
Yeah.
What can you do? Let's get tied up.
How's that?
And I'm not a bricker. So what do you think? I just wanted you to say in fur comment who was the best. What do you think about my effort?
Yeah, I think it's good. Not bad at all, Dad.